Hey everybody, this is Francis, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Hey everybody, this is Francis, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk, and today we have a very special surprise. I got something in the mail, and this is from Mr. Bram Frank himself. I don't want to show the address because, for privacy reasons, but yes, this is going to be it's something I'm very excited about. I kind of know what it is. He just messaged me out of nowhere telling me that he's got a surprise for me. So he wanted my address. So of course I gave him my address, and now it's here today, and we're going to open it in front of everybody so you can see it the exact same time I am. Okay, so I have the package right here, and again, I'm not going to show the address, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my EDC, my Cold Steel Raja 3 knife. Been re-saying this wrong this whole time. So, a story about Mr. Bram Frank. So, I met him, I think in 2018, 2019, one of those years. We met at SHOT Show, and, I was introduced to him, and he just was such a good energy, such a good guy. And he's been following me on Instagram and on Facebook this whole time. So, and then he messaged me out of nowhere saying he's got something for me. So, I'm going to take these guys out. Okay, I'm going to put this over here. Now, again, no offense, Mr. Frank, but we live in a new world nowadays, so I'm gonna play this a little bit safe, and get some wipes to sanitize these. Okay, so no offense, sir, but you never know. I mean, this is how many people touch this between your hands and my hands. So hand sanitizer wipes with aloe, so at least we're gonna smell nice at the same time. So okay, wiping it all around, wiping this one all around as well. Again, before I open any one of these, make sure that they're okay. So then we have that. All right, I'm gonna open, this seems to be more heavier, so I'm gonna open this one first. Let's see what's in here. You guys can see it with me. Thankfully, it's not delicate. Oh my gosh, here we go. So, Common Sense Self-Defense Street Combat, again by Bram Frank, director, right? There's his business card, and wow. Can you guys see this? I'm going to put this on the side for now. Wow. I mean, Mr. Bram Frank is wonderful, wonderful knife designer, but he's also a Filipino martial artist. So, he has a Filipino martial artist in mind when he made this. Okay, so again, taking the wipes, wiping it all down. Okay. Now, one of the great things about Mr. Bram, I mean his knives, is that he definitely designs them with the end user in mind. You can hold it like this. Again, it could be like as a knuckle or a window breaker. And then of course you could switch the clip to the other side if you're left-handed. I'm right-handed, so it's already preset to that. But you can feel, I mean, this definitely has some weight to it, right? But you can definitely feel the weight on this knife. So you open it up, and there you go. This is of course the trainer version. Again, I'm going to wipe this down. Now, why is the trainer version important? Well, it's because when you're training, you need something to not kill your opponent with, right? So this is perfect. You can train with the knife that you're carrying. Okay, so I'm going to put this down right here. Okay, then I'm going to open the other one. And again, Mr. Bram Frank, thank you for the business cards. And now we have this knife here. So, here, and then I'm going to get a new hand sanitizer wipes. Okay, wipe this down. As you can see, let me close this knife real quick. It's the lock is back here. So as you can see, that size-wise, they're exactly the same size knife. right? You know, it's almost like a very mirror. It's almost like a mirror image kind of thing. You have these these spots here are the same. The holes are, I mean, exactly the same. Of course, the only big difference, of course, with this knife is that this is the live blade. This is the sharp one. This is the one where you don't play with. Again, I'm just gonna clean up everything. Again, this is absolutely gorgeous knife. I love that it's got that kind of curve to it, so it's very karambit style looking to it, but it's got the Bowie design to it. You know, it's just, it feels great in the hands. You know, it feels great in the hands, and it's just to close it, just push the push stop on the side, and you're closed it already. So, so these are the knives. All right, so these are the knives. I mean, the trainer and the live blade, you know, these are amazing. I mean, these feels great in my hands. It just feels solid. And I think when you want to have a knife, you want to make sure that it feels solid, that it feels secure, and that you have enough of a grip to be able to, now, you know, this is the big boy one. This is what the big boy Bowie that you know, Mr. Frank was telling me about. But this is, I mean, it fits beautifully in my hands. I have big hands, so but this fits beautifully in my hands. They're comfortable. The thumb rest is right here. It's an amazing thing. Of course, I'm gonna have to learn how to do the open, but yeah, that's there too. You know, just to be able to, I mean, look at his blade. It just fits. I mean, look at the handle. I just put it right there, and then the thumb rests easily right there. It's such a beautiful knife. Let me go ahead and close this. And of course, the trainer knife, dull, but it gives you the exact same movement and how to open it and close it at the same time. So this is an amazing knife, Mr. Frank. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat, brother. We will definitely be posting some more videos about this. We'll definitely be using this in my trainer knives, as well as, you know, just having fun with it. Until then, this is Francis Rano. This is another episode of Bayani Talk. Peace out, God bless, and keep swinging them knives.